Hello, it's HardReset.Info speaking right here, and today I'll tell you something about this FM transmitter Roidmi 3S. In this video I'll tell you something about how to plug it into the car, connect it with Bluetooth to your phone, listen to music, and something about its specifications and how to buy it. Let's begin with plugging it to the car. You have to find your lightning cord in the car and just insert until the light blinks on. Once it's done, you have to take your smartphone, enter Bluetooth settings, and connect with Moje2 Music Blue C. Now go to Play Store or App Store and download this app. Okay. To connect with app, enter your email and tap Get Code. Now that we are signed in, select Music Bluetooth Car Charger. Here we've got settings for our FM transmitter. Let me tell you something about this menu. Firstly, we can change the transmission frequency. We can see if our car voltage is normal. Select default music program. And enable or disable following functions. Automatically play when music when car starts. Play phone ring through the radio, denoise off, power on and connection tone, shake a shake, its gestures for intensity and next songs. We can change indicator light for green, red, blue and cyan. Look. Also, you can check firmware version and go to help. Now let me show you how it works. Enter your radio. And as you can see, we are on the same frequency level. Now we can enter YouTube.
W okresie wzrostu szczenięcia w jego organizmie zachodzą niezwykłe zmiany. Jego delikatne kości wzmacniają się i wciąż...
Great. In order to use it through the radio, you'll have to enter the app and find not used frequency on your radio and select it. For me it's 95.1. Okay, let me tell you something about this device. Except that is FM transmitter, you got also two USB cords. You can plug it into the phone and charge it. Both are 2.4 amperes. And let me tell you something about its price. Right now it's around 25 euros or $30. You can buy it from the Amazon or different shops in your local country. I think that's it for the beginning. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment and subscribe.